When you look at the world map, the massive country sitting right at the top of North America is Canada. By land area, it is the second largest country in the world, right after Russia, spanning nearly 10 million square kilometers. Most of us know it simply as the land of snow, freezing cold, and maple syrup. But did you know that beneath this vast territory lie some of the most unbelievable and bizarre geographical facts that will completely change your perspective? Today, we will uncover these mind-blowing geographical secrets of Canada. Let's begin this thrilling journey. The first fact on our list will make your feet ache just thinking about it. Canada is surrounded by 3 oceans, the Pacific to the west, the Atlantic to the east, and the Arctic to the north. Touched by these 3 massive bodies of water, Canada possesses the longest coastline in the entire world. Do you know how long it is? Approximately 243,042 kilometers. To put this into perspective, if you were to walk along this coastline for 20 kilometers every single day without a break, it would take you about 33 years to finish. In fact, this coastline is long enough to wrap around the entire Earth more than 4 times. Canada's 52,000-plus islands play a massive role in creating this endless shore. We've talked about the ocean waters, now let's look for fresh water. Calling Canada the land of lakes would be an understatement. More than 60% of all the world's natural lakes are located within this single country. Canada is home to nearly 3 million lakes, big and small. Among them, 563 lakes are larger than 100 square kilometers. These massive lakes cover about 9% of Canada's total surface area. You will be astonished to know that nearly 20% of the entire planet's surface freshwater is stored right here in Canada. Lakes like the Great Bear Lake and Great Slave Lake are so incredibly massive that standing on their shores feels like looking out at an open ocean. Science textbooks teach us that Earth's gravity is uniform everywhere. However, Canada defies this rule. In the 1960s, while scientists were mapping global gravity fields, they made a bizarre discovery. The region surrounding Hudson Bay in Canada has lower gravity than the rest of the world. Now, this doesn't mean you will start floating in the air like an astronaut on the moon. But yes, if you stand there, your weight on a scale will be a few milligrams less than anywhere else. Scientists believe that during the last ice age, massive glaciers compressed the Earth's crust in this area, and it hasn't fully bounced back yet. This deformation is why gravity is slightly weaker here. Another prominent feature of Canada is its breathtaking greenery. Almost 40% of Canada's total land area is covered by dense forests. In fact, 9% of all the world's forests are located within this single nation. If you love getting lost in nature, there is no better place. However, there is a fascinating demographic twist. Despite its massive size, about 90% of Canada's population lives within just 200 kilometers of the United States border. This leaves the vast northern expanse of the country practically uninhabited, ruled entirely by snow and wilderness. Canada's population is only around 41 million. If you were to take Canada's empty spaces, you could easily fit at least 9 major European countries inside them. Sharing its southern edge with the United States, Canada boasts the longest undefended international border in the world, stretching over 8,891 kilometers. This massive border functions without any barbed wire fences or armed guards, serving as a unique example of peaceful geography. Now, let's talk about extreme weather. In 1947, a small village named Snag in the Yukon Territory recorded a bone-chilling temperature of -62.8 degrees Celsius. This remains the lowest temperature ever recorded in North American history. According to scientists, this is equivalent to the average surface temperature of Mars. Essentially, during peak winter, parts of Canada become as freezing and extreme as the Red Planet. From the world's longest coastline and millions of lakes to ancient rocks and missing gravity, Canada is truly one of nature's most magnificent creations. In terms of geographical diversity, it is nothing short of a global wonder. Which of these Canadian geographical facts shocked you the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating insights. That's all for today. See you in the next thrilling video. Thank you.